He's gone. Honestly, he's gonna get spooled. I can reel that. Look at this. Woo! Oh. See you later.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode of Schwartzy's Fishing. Today we're on the beautiful Fraser River and we're going to be going after giant sturgeon, hopefully. So stay tuned, should be a great episode. It's a beautiful day out, beautiful fall day. So yeah, stay tuned for some good action today. So we just anchored up here, and what we're using for bait today is Dawson and Dylan were out earlier today.
Playing them!
And they were going after chum salmon during the river. So if you can see here, we got some heads, we got some roe. So yeah, we're just gonna be tossing that out there today. It should be on them pretty good. So yeah, we just got to anchor up here and we'll get the rods in. But that's what we're using for bait. And hopefully we get something. Okay, well, when you're catching these big fish, you got to use big gear. So we got the Shimano TLD 20. It's pretty big. And then you got a Shimano Technium. And what do we got, Dylan? What's on here? Like 150 pound test, roughly?
Yeah, 150. Power Pro.
150 pound test we got. It's actually my rod. I just had to ask him. It was his before. Bought it off of him.
My reel.
And then we got an air brake line here so it doesn't get tangled, and then we put usually a big weight here.
Yeah, I need Cody.
Which is they usually look like this. You put a weight, and then yeah, we're using circle hooks today, so you don't really have to set the hook that hard. You just got to reel down on them. So setup's pretty simple. So yeah, let's get the rods out there.
You know what they say? Big baits, big fish. Yummy. Yeah, I did. It tasted nice. Is he serious or is that it must be a joke? Did they ever ask you for anything?
I just see you guys getting good. Can you see us getting a fish in here? Oh yeah, I'm in 35 mile. I have probably a weight limit.
Can you use a red pin?
Yeah. Helps with the bloody cock.
Feel that? Can y'all feel that? Jig it out. Here I am in the place where I come let go. In Miami, the place and the sunset low. Every day like a Mardi Gras. Everybody party all day. No work, all play, okay? So we sip a little something, leave the rest to spill. Me and Charlie at the bar running up a high bill. Nothing less than ill. No we dressed to kill. Every time the ladies pass, they be like, y'all feel me? All ages.
Well, I don't know if you guys have yet, but make sure you follow me on Instagram if you want to see all the pictures from all the videos that I've taken. So yeah, make sure you give me a follow.
Looking at it. We've got the bite on 3. 3, 3.
3, go, go, go!
So we're hooked up, boys and girls.
I'm bisexual.
And whatever you want to call yourself.
Maybe they might just be on meat and row. I want this head to go up in the worst way possible. Ash a Yeti again, please. Thanks.
Oh man, you're gonna get spooled. Dude, honestly, you might get spooled to the nines.
You could turn the fish around.
Oh.
That's a hog.
He's gone. Honestly, he's gonna get spooled. I can reel that up and shit.
Woo, baby! I might be getting through in the pool there.
I tried getting that first jump on camera. It's too easy. We had to get all these lines in quick. But that's a hot fish. Dylan?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to gun it left side here because I'm in the rock pond.
Oh, that'll do it.
Yeah, you see that shit on the floor, Dawson?
Yeah.
This shit good right here. Take this off the floor. Okay, this is not happening.
It's gone.
Mr. Non-listener over there.
There's an update. It's been about, I'd say, 10 minutes, and it's still going crazy. Oh man. Oh. But it's coming. It's starting to come in. What a fight. We were anchored over there. We had to drift down. Now we're just kind of ripping around the fish here. It does not want to come in.
Yeah.
Give him the boots.
It's just kind of pissed off, and now he's not really doing much. Whew.
Woo, baby. Well, he's getting torn up. Oh, it's awesome. Found salmon in the morning, sturgeon now. Great day. Oh man. Whew.
How'd you find a go here after I lost thinking about it? Almost that short.
What?
I'm almost that short.
Okay. Well, we got a beast here. I'd say, what do you say, Dylan? 8 feet?
No, 7.5.
Okay, 7.5 footer. It's got some crazy girth on it. Put up a heck of a fight. So let's get this beautiful dinosaur back in the water here.
The water's cold.
Water's freezing. There, you can even pass me this. I'll get a close up here. Look at this. Look at this beautiful dinosaur here. Look at that.
Yeah, I'm good to go. I got my shots.
Honestly, it's the funny thing is it's looking from my butthole.
Let it release. Oh. Oh. See you later. There you have it.
My
Let's see. That's awesome. What a fight that is. Those fish are so powerful. And yeah, let's get back in the water. My arms are numb.
Get me for the burrito.
There's
My
Dylan.
waders are leaking. My butt's so.
And the water's not warm, I tell you. It's not warm.
Early fights, you know, so we're gonna end the day here.
So, just got back to the cars. We took 2 different vehicles, so they're just loading up the jet boat there. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the episode. We got a nice little afternoon of fishing. Just been out for a few hours. I know my arms are pretty sore after reeling in that big boy. So yeah, like I said, hope you guys enjoyed the episode. It's a fun little afternoon. Gorgeous fall day today. So stay tuned for more videos to come. And thanks for watching.